Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am back with lesson number 10. It is again the type of lesson that we have done previously in lesson number 9. That is listening and speaking. Today again I am going to read few lines for you and you have to attempt the homework according to those lines. Be careful. Listen my lines very carefully. So by the end of the lesson, you would be able to fill in the blanks with appropriate answers by listening to the given text. Listen carefully. Should I start now? Are you all ready? Okay, first I am going to read few lines from the first paragraph. Ali is kicking a ball. He is wearing grey trousers, a red t-shirt, red socks and black trainers. He is quite a thin boy. He has short black hair. I am again reading out the text, so listen it carefully again. Ali is kicking a ball. He is wearing grey trousers, a red t-shirt, red socks and black trainers. He is quite a thin boy. He has short black hair. Now it's turn of paragraph number 4. Get ready. Are you ready? Okay. Tom's riding a cycle. He is wearing brown shorts, a yellow t-shirt, green socks and white trainers. He has fair curly hair. Yes, I know I have to read out it again. Be patient. Get ready. Tom's riding a cycle. He's wearing brown shorts, a yellow t-shirt, green socks and white trainers. He has fair curly hair. On the screen, today's written task has been shown. This is filling the blanks. Number 1. Tom was dash a cycle. Number 2. He is wearing dash t-shirt. Number 3. His hair are fair and dash. Number 4. Dash is kicking a ball. Number 5. Ali is a dash boy. Number 6. Ali has dash black hair. Send your homework through WhatsApp as usual on the given phone number, that is 0302 9861 702. I want a very good homework from your side. Okay, enjoy your lesson. Be healthy, be smart and be safe. Allah Hafiz.